What's going on, knuckleheads? So in today's video, we're going to be working on the 21 Road Glide. I have some parts over on the bench. I'll show them to you. Now, the right side of the bike is already installed on the rear. We're not going to get to the front today, but we're going to install the rear suspension, of which this is not a sponsored video, and I did not pay for these. There was a very kind anonymous gifter. Doesn't expect a video, I don't guess, because I was never given any instructions. But they bought me the Suspension Technologies. I do believe these are the Black Hill edition. They are made in the USA, which I personally love. Sorry, I have two cameras going. Anyways, let's get started. All right, we've already got the saddlebag off. We have the bike up on a scissor jack. All we really have left to do is remove the 2 bolts. They are going to be a 3/4 inch bolt or socket to remove them. We will be reusing the old hardware. Bolts are the same length, so you don't need to worry about getting them in the right spot. This is our new suspension. Start the top bolt. Now we need to look to see that we are dead on. Well, maybe not dead on. Raise the bike up just a little bit. All right, so we've got the bolts snugged up. We just need to torque them down to 63 to 70 foot-pounds. And I'm going to do about 67. Seems like a good midpoint. And just one click. And there we have it. That is. And there we have it. That's the full install on our rear suspension. Just got to repeat the same steps for the other side, which we've already done on. We've already got the right side done. But we have a ride tomorrow. One of my buddies puts on a Black Friday ride every year. And I'll put the rear suspension to the test. I was really hoping to do a video in reverse order of what everybody usually does. I was wanting to do the front and see how much it really changed shit, and then do the rear, because I know the rear is the big one, but nobody really bitches about the front until they've done the front. So I'm wondering how much of a difference you would feel. But we're going to leave it as, well, I say that. I need to sit on it and check the, yeah. What the hell is it called? Anyways, for your suspension technology suspension, front, rear, the RT series for trike even, check out righth2.com, H2 Performance. They are the ones that supplied this. But Mr. Anonymous, thank you. And I think that's going to do it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell so you know when I upload. If you're watching through YouTube, if you're watching through TikTok, hit the follow button. And we'll probably end up having to do like a 4-part series for the front suspension. But I'll see you guys in the next one.